Hey everyone, it's Victoria. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be unboxing something I'm so excited for. This is the Fabfitfun summer box, and this box is going to be so good. I'm so pumped. This is probably going to be one of the best boxes that I've gotten. I do have an annual subscription, and so I've been getting them for, actually this is my last one, so for a full year, so I've gotten 4 boxes. When I saw the things that were going to be in this one, I just was like so excited. I'm super pumped for this. It's going to be so good. As an annual member, you do get to select more items than if you were doing just the seasonal, which I honestly really love because I like to be able to select some things. Usually I ask for a mystery choice item to make it even more of a surprise. This time I didn't, because I really liked a lot of the selections that they had, and I even did a couple add-ons because I really wanted the other items. So we're gonna open this up today and see what is in here. It does say that my add-ons are inside, which is perfect. So let's see what's in here. I think I wanna look at the magazine this time. So we can look at the prices and kind of compare. Usually when I do unboxings like this, I try to just like open one item at a time so it's a surprise. But I think it still will be a pretty good surprise because I've forgotten a lot of things. Actually, I'll let you guys open it so you can see with me. This is what it looks like when you open it. This is my first time opening it up. I think this is my receipt for the add-on items that I got. So I have 3 packages right on top. These are the gifts. I think I'm safe in saying what these are because whoever's gonna get these as birthday presents don't know that it's gonna be their birthday present, so I think I'm okay. But I got the Babe Lash Enhancing Conditioner. I personally use the Roden & Fields Lash Serum, and I love that. It has absolutely grown my lashes so much. I just am absolutely loving it. And I've also been recently using a little bit of the Lash MD just because I got that in a Fabfitfun a while back, so I've been going kind of back and forth, and I really like that one too. But I did hear that this stuff is super good and it's way more affordable. So these ones were $19. I think that they're regularly like 40 something, I want to say, but I will list up here with the regular prices so you can see what I got it for the sale price. But one of these are for a friend because I bought that one for her, and then these 2 are gifts. The other add-on item that I got is this Prep and Rally from DryBar. I'm in love with this stuff, you guys. I actually purchased this myself last year, ran out of it, didn't think I would get it again, even though I liked it. I didn't want to spend the money on it. And then we got it in a Fabfitfun, and I just was ecstatic. My husband really likes the smell of it, so that makes me feel good. And it is such a good detangler. Anyways, those are my add-ons, so now we can get to the items. I'm so excited. Let's open up our first item. Really quick, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. I would love to have you be a part of our little family here on YouTube, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay. Get back to it. They always give you some little like meal coupon things, but I don't usually use those. I haven't decided yet if I want to continue with my annual subscription. I do get BoxyCharm. Let me know if you guys enjoy these videos, because if you enjoy them, I absolutely will continue. I really love getting these. It's such a fun gift every season. But my husband and I are budgeting, especially since the baby's coming soon. So if you guys think it's worth it, then I totally will continue getting these. You'll have to let me know in the comments below if you enjoy this or not. Oh, okay, I'm gonna grab this first. I am so sorry to you guys. I totally forgot to screenshot my select like choices. Usually I like to record them so you can see like all the other choices and what I got to choose from and everything. Completely forgot this time, so I'm so sorry. But we do have everything in the magazine, so we can go through a couple of the other options that I remember. Definitely am excited for this. So this is the Lash MD. This was one of the choices. I didn't really love any of the other choices, so even though I didn't need a new one of this, I definitely still have plenty of Roden & Fields and plenty of this. It's gonna be super nice as a backup. To be honest, I really wanted one of these for me. But I am super excited to give this as a gift, so I'm gonna keep this guy, especially since I've already been using it. This will be super nice to have as a backup. Oh, okay, I remembered this one, and it is so much cuter. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. This is a giving key. One of my sisters has been talking about this nonstop. One of my really good friends has been talking about this too, and this is just a super cute little petite one. I might keep it, but I did definitely choose this with the idea of having it be a gift. It says believe on it in little tiny lettering. It is so tiny. I love it. This is my jam, you guys. I love super petite little necklaces like this. They're just my favorite because they go with everything. So this is so darling. I'm super excited about that. Love it. Next up, what is this? Oh, I'm so, this could not have come at a perfect time. Seriously. Like, this is the Beach Mist. It is by the Lifestyle Company. I guess let's look this up so I'm not just like rambling on about something I don't really know about. Okay, so this is regularly $42. Oh, I forgot that it has lavender. So it has aloe, mint, and lavender in it. And what you do with this is when you've been out in the sun, maybe you got a little sizzled, you spritz this on yourself, and based off the reviews from what I saw, everyone said that it just gives you this really nice like cooling feeling. It feels super good on your skin because it has the aloe in it. Smells really good because it has the mint and the lavender. It's like relaxing. I'm so pumped. It's been like raining and cloudy the last week and a half, and today is the first day that the sun is out early and it's shining, and I'm gonna go tanning, and I'm so excited. Let's take this out of the package. Let's just do like a little spritz. I didn't really smell it. Oh, I smell it a little bit now. Oh, that took a second. That smells super refreshing. It's very subtle. Maybe when you spray more like outside, you might be able to smell it a little bit more. Yeah, I'm not smelling it super strong. I didn't quite catch the lavender, but maybe spraying it outside when I'm actually getting sizzled, then maybe I'll smell it a little bit more, but super excited about this for sure. Okay, told you guys this box is like the bee's knees. 3 for 3 so far. I'm so pumped. Next. Oh, yes. I was telling my husband about this last night. I'm so pumped about this. This is the satin pillow sleeve. It is regularly $29.50. Let's take it out. This is gonna blend in so perfectly with just like our whole bedspread and the theme. So this is the pillow, and it has like this almost like a jersey stretchy material on the back, which is perfect. So then it's gonna stop this from sliding. I do know a little bit about this one already because I did see it on someone else's video. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's open-ended on both sides. I think that's just kind of a little strange. I know they do that so it'll fit like more pillows, but I personally am not a big fan of that. So I think honestly I might just sew one side shut. I need to do some sewing today anyways. I'm making some baby burp rags, and I was gonna sew those today, so I might just sew this one in there as well. But I'm so excited about this. Let's see what else we have. Okay, I almost like feel like I need to go slower because I'm rushing through this way too fast. Some people got like a wireless charging pad, which I thought was super cool. I wish I would have seen that. I honestly didn't even see that one. Some people got some bags. There was a Michael Kors passport wallet in there, which I thought that I might have actually selected that one. So that might be in here. And yes, it is. I completely forgot about some of the things that I selected, you guys. Oh my goodness, that is so funny. So I got this kind of with the intention as a gift as well. I'm just like someone that likes to give gifts often. I have 10 siblings, you guys, and most of them are married, and I have a lot of nieces and nephews and a lot of friends and family on my husband's side too. So I'm always just thinking of ways like all throughout the year how I can stash gifts for Christmas or birthdays coming up. I'm always looking for sales, and when I see a sale, I'm like, oh, who can I get that for? And yeah, it's kind of like an excuse to go shopping more often, but for a really good reason. So I'm thinking about saving this for a gift because I do already have a passport holder. My husband and I went to Mexico earlier this year, so I needed to buy one. I love that it says Michael Kors like in gold. I think that's super classy. Let's see the inside. We have a little bit more of the Michael Kors here. Super classy. I love this chestnut coloring. This is great. This is such a perfect little wallet. This is super nice, actually. Really like that a lot. You guys will have to let me know which items are your favorite, because these are all epic. I really love all of them. We'll just move on to our next product, which is dun, da, da, da. Yeah, I'm not the best singer. Don't have the best voice. My voice cracks fairly frequently. Okay, so this is the Spongele. It's a hand cream, coconut verbena. It's infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil, which are all great things. I was watching, oh, I forget who it was. I'll post her name up above. She gives the best reviews of skincare. Like, I trust her opinion so much. So I watched her review on Fabfitfun, on her Fabfitfun box, and I'm pretty sure she really liked this item. Oh, that smells so good. This is probably gonna go in my car because I need a lotion in my car super, super bad. Let's put some of this on right now, just like a tiny bit. Oh, that smells so good. This is like the perfect type of coconut where it's not like sunscreen and too tropical. It's like a subtle, it's so subtle. I really, really like that. I'm not usually a big fan of a coconut scent, but this I actually really, really like, so that says something. I highly recommend that everyone gets Fabfitfun at least once. It's like the most fun little gift. I adore it. This is making me definitely want to resubscribe. I need you guys' help. Convince me of that. All right, let's see what's next. Oh, yes, I'm so pumped about. So I didn't choose this, but I did hear really good things about this. So this is the Winky Lux Unibrow. It is a brow pencil. This is super nice. I'm actually going to be doing my soon-to-be sister-in-law's wedding makeup in a couple of weeks, and this is just going to be helpful so we don't have to buy any more brow products, because I have a few, but you never know. I don't know what her shade might be, so it's just going to be helpful to have more of a variety. But I've heard really, really good things about this. I'm not the biggest fan of the triangle shape. I've had a couple of like this, and they end up just kind of getting too rounded and a little bit too like wide of a shape to really do like more distinct brow hairs. They more just kind of fill it in, which is fine. Like, that works really well too, especially if you want to do like a really fast brow. I'm super pumped to try this out. This is a universal brow pencil. Ooh, same shade works for every brow. That's kind of tricky. The $1 Million Brow brand also has a universal brow pencil, and I did try that out a while ago, and I did like it, but I definitely found that it's not gonna work for every single shade. Maybe multiple shades, but I think saying universal is definitely a bit of a stretch, but this might just be perfect to use on the bride coming up soon, so I'm excited about this. We're gonna do a like grand total reveal dealio at the end of the video so we can see what this box full value is. It says the total value can range from $225 up to $477. I guess depending on what you chose. Like, if you chose the most expensive item for every single selection that you could, I could absolutely see it going up that high because some of these things are super expensive. Okay, so I think we have just one more thing, which makes me so sad because this went by way too fast. Way too fast. These boxes are so much fun to receive and they're so much fun to open, but when you're done, it's just like, it's like Christmas the next day. Like, the Christmas magic is over. But it's really fun in the moment. So let's just go with our next one. This is so funny. This one makes me laugh. I did see somebody else get this, and I was literally thinking last night as I was putting on my lotion, I put on lotion like head to toe every single day. I was like, you know what? I hope I get that foot cream because I have really restless feet, and oftentimes at night when my feet get too restless, I'll get up and walk around because the feeling of the carpet kind of helps a little bit, and then I'll put lotion on my feet and go back to bed. So instead of putting on Aveeno, I can put on the Tarocco foot cream. And who knows, maybe that'll make my feet like super baby soft. You can always use hydration anywhere, so I'm totally all for this. I'm super pumped that it's an orange scent. This smells so good. It smells so refreshing. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand just so I can smell it a little bit better. Whoa, it's like minty. Weird. That smells amazing, but that's like kind of a trippy scent. You definitely get the orange like right off the bat. You're just like hit with almost as if you like made some like orange zest or something and you were really like smelling the scent of the orange, but then you like put a mint in your mouth. I don't know. The value I feel like is going to be incredible. Let's go ahead and post the total right up here so you can see. Ta-da! This is how much it costs. I usually add it up later so I can make sure I get it all right and everything. I'll show you guys a little video of all the items in here so you can see. If you want to stay to watch that, I'll post it at the end so you can see the full complete options for everyone's Fabfitfun boxes, like what they possibly could have gotten. This is definitely like the best box I've gotten. Like I love every single one of these items. They're all amazing. I'm so excited to use this today. This is the best box ever. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was so much fun. Okay, well that was everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment down below what your favorite product was. Should I continue with Fabfitfun? What do you think? I'll post a link to 2 of my other Fabfitfun unboxings coming up at the end of the video so you guys can watch others if you would like to. Don't forget to ring the bell too so you can be notified when I post new videos. And I hope you're having a great day and doing so good. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.